to brush your teeth? Kung very good si Cassie, oh. What color is your toothbrush?
Yellow.
Wow, you love yellow, no? Ay, si Amira pala yun. Oh, ikaw Amira, mag-brush din ng teeth.
Si Mami.
Wala akong dito.
Nasaan si Mami?
Sa work. Work.
Wait.
Work na?
Wala na akong pang
Okay, next ano sabi ko.
Kaya ko naka-1 hour.
Bakit?
1. Barely surviving nga.
Oh.
Seriously.
Are you drinking the water?
No.
Okay. Sige. Oh, how do you brush your teeth? Sige nga.
Okay, now I'll brush my teeth.
Oh, let me see.
My
Oh, green. Green ang sayo. Oh. Oh, brush ka na rin ang teeth mo. Oh, why you're not brushing your teeth? Oh.
just wait. Hold on. Look what happened to the toothpaste already.
Oh, why naging ganyan? Why? Wala na? Paubos na?
No, because we just keep doing that.
Ah. Ano ba yun, Chicky?
My hands is slippery, Cassie. Yeah.
What time did you sleep kagabi? 8? 9?
I cannot. It's already ubus.
Ubus
Oh,
na?
don't. Yeah.
Oh,
It's
wag
ubus.
mag-shout.
I cannot get it.
Ubus na? Wala na kayo dyan?
I
Baka
don't know.
maybe there's meron pa.
There's no. But
No.
we'll just get the waste. There's surely no more. We'll
No
just
more?
get the waste more. Not who get it. But it's 30. Okay. What should we put? I cannot brush my teeth if there's no toothpaste.
You know how to use scissor? Pero baka masugat
Yeah.
pa kayo. Baka masugat pa kayo. You will cut the middle. Meron pa dyan toothpaste. Pero you have to be careful.
But Daddy said we're not allowed to use scissors when Daddy and Mommy when she's not here. But there's an adult, Cassie. It's addictive. Why?
Hala! No, baka mapagalitan ako ni Mommy. O, pag napagalitan ako ni Mommy, di nyo na ako makakausap.
I'm
Oh.
just joking. I'm just joking.
Paano yan? Wala na kayo. Wala na kayong toothpaste.
I said to Cassie to get the wasting one, but Cassie said it's dirty, so I listened to Cassie.
Yeah. Paano yan?
See, there's the wasting. See, look, see?
Ubus na.
There's a lot.
Maybe you
Yeah.
can call mommy or your daddy. tell them na wala ng toothpaste.
I think we can call daddy, not mommy, because mommy will be busy.
Yeah, mommy is busy nga. O try nyo i-call si ano nyo, or you can wait na lang for your daddy to go home. Pero hindi kayo nag-brush ng teeth. You will just have to mumog.
Cassie is getting the wasting one, the dirty one. She's getting a wasting one. I was also gonna use it because we just waste it. See?
Yeah. Maybe
So
you
we'll
can
just
still get little. Little lang. So little. Parang barely pa yan. Very little lang. You try to baka meron pa.
I'm trying to get it by doing like this.
Yeah. Try nyo i-squeeze ng squeeze.
So, but it's so hard. It will be sakit. Oh, Cassie got it! Cassie,
Oh,
no, me.
oh. Hati, maghati.
Oh.
Maghati kayo. Wag mag-agawan. You make hati. Oh, meron ka na. Meron na kayo.
Yeah.
Oh.
Yeah. I
You
don't
make
have.
hati.
Wait, I
Oh,
don't
hati,
have.
share.
Get water.
Hmm. Okay, brush ng ngipin na, oh. Wow. Oh, si Cassie, nagbabrush ba ng ngipin? Wow, okay. Sige, brush na muna kayo ng ngipin. How about your face? Do you wash your face?
No.
No?
Only
Ah,
mouth.
okay.
Me, yes. Because sometimes I cannot open my eyes.
Yeah, because there is muta, eye booger.
Haha.
Yeah. Oh, you also have to to brush your tongue.
Yeah, we know.
Oh, very good. Later you tell mommy or your daddy na wala ng toothpaste para they will
Okay.
buy.
Okay. We still have more ice cream. Look, I'll
Oh,
show you. But we will eat it at afternoon after we eat our rice. Or you can
yes.
eat it with the snack.
Yeah. Yung so many ice cream naman there, baka you will get sick, ha?
No, we will not. Yesterday we got a lot, so today we will put a little bit now. Water.
Yeah. Oh. You are gagging. Don't suka-suka.
Nah. Cassie, oh my gosh, you finished it all. Dami nyo? Ay, kuya! Kuya, kuya. Hey! You're finishing it. Stop. That's it. Look, she finished all the water.
Ah, wala nang water?
There is more, but every time she put by herself, she keep putting it.
O you get na lang ng water. Baka kasi needs more.
I'm not gonna share it. I'm done. I'm done.
You are mocking Cassie.
That's ate. That's not me. That's ate.
Okay. So now what will you do? Oh, tapos na kayo mag-toothbrush. What do you do na?
We'll drink our milk and eat our breakfast.
Okay. Asan yung
I
breakfast
don't.
mo?
We don't have, but we'll get. I kind of want to eat bread with what do you call it?
Chocolate?
Bread.
Peanut butter?
No, bread. Yeah, peanut butter, but I don't know how to put it.
You grab a spoon. O Cassie, what will you eat?
I'll just eat something else like cookies. I always eat yesterday's.
But you are not you are not hungry pag yun lang kain nyo. You get busog naman.
Ate, Ate Tin,
Oh,
look at my feet yesterday. Look, this
oh.
one,
Oh, what happened?
that one.
Yeah. Is that
It was
sugat?
actually because when we're playing soccer sa house, I just accidentally do like this, and then
Mm.
and and then it's sakit, so I go back to sit and then do like this.
Ay. Did you
But
cry?
Kaki, hindi. Ate
Wow.
said aray. Ate said aray.
You said aray, but you didn't cry.
No.
Uh,
Before Cassie also have that. Now it's already healed. So I was
um,
gonna try that.
you have to be careful pag maglaro soccer.
Yeah.
Nag-ihi na kayo?
Yeah.
Okay. O ngayon, kunin
You
niyo
know
yung
why?
food
You
niyo.
know, you know why we're playing soccer because we have ball. Look, see?
Ah, soccer pala. Nice, very nice.
Yeah, you know where did I get that from the kudu?
Kudu. What is kudu again? You said kudu yesterday. I don't know what kudu means.
It's a food.
Mhm.
It's a restaurant, and then it have Happy Meal. The same
Yeah.
with McDonald's,
Happy Meal.
and then she get Chick-fil-A.
Oh, I want to try Chick-fil-A. I
No, no,
want
no,
to
no.
try
I
that.
mean, I forgot. Not that. Not that. That's
Uh,
chicken nugget.
I
Yeah.
want to try
And
that,
then
huh?
Chick-fil-A. Yeah, that one.
You have
It
Chick-fil-A?
it's with the bread. It's long bread with the toppings.
Maybe it is Subway. Subway.
That's at Subway.
Like bread with
There's no there's no Subway in the Saudi Arabia. I never go there.
Oh, okay. So now, ano na yung kainin nyo?
Kainin.
Yeah,
I
you get the cookie na. Cookies.
I don't know. I think I will only drink milk and also
You're not,
coffee.
you are not hungry?
No.
Okay. You don't eat rice
I
pag
just
morning?
I just eat beef yesterday and I just finished it.
Yeah, masarap.
Yeah. You want to
Okay.
taste? You want to taste or no?
I want.
How? You can bring it.
you
Want
you deliver
how?
it to me.
Ah!
you ride airplane and you deliver it to me. Oh,
That,
you know how to ride
how?
airplane?
No.
Okay. Lang soon. I will taste it.
Uh, I w- I was been counting for many years, but it's taking so long.
What? You were what?
It's taking so long to go to the Philippines. I want
Yeah.
because uh I'm excited to go in May, but Daddy didn't let, so we're going in December.
Yeah. You were excited to go some Philippines nung May. Bakit? Why were you excited?
Why?
Why were you
To meet
excited?
to meet to meet Nanay and you.
Yeah. Yeah. You didn't
Yeah,
di mo pa
now
kami
I'm
nakita.
excited. Now I'm excited also to to see you also.
Yeah.
I
This
didn't
way.
I didn't I didn't remember. I go to your house. I didn't
Yeah.
remember.
Because we haven't seen each other. Kahit ako, I didn't see you nung baby ka pa. I will only see you sa December. And I've been wanting to meet you, pero wala kasing chance. Let me guess, you are watching Royalty Family, no?
We're not watching the boring one ever. The one Kasi ha.
What are you watching? Ah, Anazala Family?
No, Ryan.
Brian? Many.
Yeah, I
Okay.
don't like. I don't like Ryan.
Ryan. Ryan's World? Ryan's World ba?
No,
No. You should try watching Adventure Time.
no.
Okay. Di nyo alam yung Adventure Time?
What happened?
Hmm.
I cannot see your face.
I cannot
Are
see
you
you
using?
too.
Are you using the iPad?
No, baka you are using the iPad. Oh,
I'm not. I
call
don't
me,
have an iPad.
call me again.
Oh, because no. Because you have. I have to flip it like this.
Oh, sige nga.
Oh my gosh, it cannot work. Use
Oh,
because you do like this.
no, hindi ako ang nagganyan ha. Ganyan ako, straight lang.
Okay, I'll just off again.
Yeah. Oh, okay na. Oh, nice.
I kind of want to give the I kind of want to get the one my favorite
So, ano?
from Care Bear.
Care
They
Bear?
from Care Bear. Yeah. But not only three. It's one. Only one.
What, ano? Anong Care Bear?
Pink Bear. There
Cheer.
is in PKXD. Try it.
Cheer. The, you know, ano, dinrawing ko yung kwan. I draw it. The Care Bear look.
Can I see?
Oh. I draw
Wow! So
it.
cute.
Oh. Cherish
Wow!
Bear and Cheer
Wow!
Bear. Oh, very nice, no?
Oh, this is I want the cheer bear. I want the
Oh, I also draw, ano, this one, oh, who is this?
Mira.
Yeah.
I
Mira.
told you, you're the great artist.
No, you are, ano, you're not, I'm not. Oh, who is this?
Chicken potato.
Oh, how about this?
Minecraft. How about royalty family? Is that Chip and Milo?
Yeah, I cannot draw, ano, Chip and Milo. Oh.
Labubu.
Oh, yun pa lang din drawing ko. Oh, Chip and Milo. Milo? Milo? Chip. Oh, ito ba sino? Sino to?
Chip and
Who is
potato.
potato
Chip and
here?
potato. This one.
Ito?
Yeah, yeah, she is real mouse, but she can turn into a teddy bear.
Ah, oh. So, Care Bear.
Mommy, I kind of want to get a ride of Cheer Bear next.
A ride of Cheer Bear?
Yeah?
Di ba you have na?
No,
Yeah.
I only got togetherness bear. Yeah.
What do you want ba?
I like the rainbow and I like the pink.
You will buy ano? You will buy the pet pod. The Care Bear pet pod.
But how?
Because ano, wait lang oh. I will show you ha.
How much is the Cheer Bear?
Cheer Bear? Wala dito eh, wala. Nothing here.
No, how about you check you will just check the others and you can see it.
Okay, I will see it. Maybe here, meron dito.
Because I just see a pet pod in the shopping mall.
Yeah. Pero when you ano, when you go, when you see that, Hindi. When you have ano, like chances lang. Chances of getting what you
No,
want.
but what if I will not get but I don't know how to pay it. I don't know.
You will have to use real money.
No, we cannot. Because mommy and daddy didn't let us. Only for the clothes.
Yeah.
We didn't buy toys already.
Bakit? Why do you not buy toys?
Because mommy and daddy didn't let us.
Kasi you need to eat. Kaya they are saving up. It's okay.
Yeah.
Ako
But
na
in
lang
there we
mag-buy
have
ng toy.
toys. But in there we have toys. We have baby alive.
Yeah, I will buy you the baby alive.
We love baby alive.
Yeah. I don't know where ba yung sinasabi niyong pet pod. Where can I see that?
Oh, it's in the shopping mall.
Shopping mall?
I almost shopping mall.
Ah, shopping mall.
Did you see Cassandra? I just see her.
Yeah. Oh, I want to
Right here.
Cassie's avatar.
Yeah, I want that cheer bear. So that's why I want cheer bear.
Fear Bear. O, tingnan
Yeah,
natin.
but I don't know how to pay it. So how I'm gonna do it? You should if you want to open it fast, you have to waste 25 gems.
Ah, yeah. I don't have 25 gems na. 9 only, oh. 9 only. Where is the Care Bear ba? Oh, where is Cassie? Does Cassie know?
Pet shop, pet shop, pet shop.
You said shopping mall.
No, 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 don't go out.
Okay. Okay, wait.
Go to the shopping mall again.
Yeah.
Did you see the Hello Kitty seesaw? That
Hmm.
one. You go there.
Okay. Cassie is not following me, oh. Wait lang. Nakalabas ako ulit.
No, kasi it's in the other world.
Okay.
Okay, I'm gonna go to the shopping mall. Ate Tin, I kind of want. Ate Tin, can you buy
Oh,
your own Care Bear, please?
why?
Because we want to be both the same.
Care Bear? I will see ha. Kasi baka Ate Teen's money is limited. Tingnan ko. Where is the You said,
See that seesaw?
this
That
one.
one.
Oh.
No, yeah. See, now go out and go inside.
Go inside, okay? And then where?
Now see to the left. See to the left.
Left,
No, I mean right.
right.
Yeah, right.
Where is it? Oh, wala man. There's nothing. Oh,
What? This one.
where?
You have to restart. Kasi see it. You have to restart again. Here.
Restart? Okay. Maybe my is glitching.
Yeah, it's glitching.
Yeah.
Kasi I didn't literally use my mouth.
Cassie, where are you, Cassie?
In the shopping mall.
Okay.
Wait for me.
Wait. Wait, I will see you muna. Ah, Ito yung sabi nyo. This one. The Care Bear, no?
No, that's not that one.
Yeah. Oh, it is 55
Cheer Bear.
pesos.
I also want. I want Cheer Bear.
Pero, there is no Cheer Bear. Oh, you see? Secret Bear, Wish Bear, Work of
I
the
want
Heart.
Secret Bear. I want Secret Bear.
Pero, ano, you read this, you read this. What does this say?
The chance of getting a rare pet. What's this? How to read that?
Increases
Increases each time you open a pet pod.
It means na when you open this pet pod, you don't have you're like parang hindi ka sure na you will get the secret bear. Kumbaga you will get random bear, pero itong mga bears ang makuha nyo. Oh. You understand?
Yeah.
Ayan,
Can you open it? Can you open it?
pero I have to buy it.
Yeah, I want.
Real money.
Yeah, I want.
Let's see. Tingnan ko muna if meron pa akong pera. Baka wala ng pera si Ate Tin. Wala na siya pang bili ng Baby Alive.
Aww.
Just kidding.
Baby alive.
I will see muna. Wait lang.